Another video from Dr. Lock. We're on our way to Homebush. Homebush was the town or the place where they held the Sydney 2000 Olympics in Sydney. And there's a foyer door down there that needs work. And I've been told, go fix foyer door. So I thought we might go on the job video and go fix foyer door. That's what we do. So let's get there and see what's happening. So no further information. So I don't know what it needs or anything, but we'll find out. Let's go have a look. Okay, so here we are, foyer door. Lock. Oops, the door closer working. Not great, but the lock's working. Electric strike there. Bit loose. Okay, missing screws on the bottom bolt. So we'll have to fix that one up. And top one. What a mess. What a mess. So we'll replace that. What do we have? Nova flush bolt, 300mm. Cut that bolt and that should be okay. Let's pull that out. Wood screws. Some butcher's been at it. See if we can get this out without it dropping. Okay, there's one out. Actually, we just need a screw on this one. Maybe this little tiny screw might work. Okay. Not fabulous, but working. Still a little bit loose, but we'll pack that out later. Okay, still flush bolt. Sure. That will need to be about there, and that will need to be about there. Be expanded. Yeah, that should be okay. good. Okay, the right screws. Yes. And yes. Okay, here's the challenge. Get it into the door. Nope. Nope. Good, almost. Bit of negotiating, we've got this one in. And we've tightened up this one. Loose. Hole's still a bit big. Strike's working. Door's closing. Okay, looks good.